Okay. Repeat after me. In this basketball league, I, state your name, will play by the rules and in the spirit of the game. I will control my temper, since fighting and disrespect can spoil the activity for everyone. I will respect my opponents. I will do my best to be a true team player. I will not use profanity. I will treat each other, athlete, coach, parents, and officials with respect and dignity. I will accept the calls of the officials and will play to the rules of the game. I will treat all engagement, field, court, and facilities with respect and adhere to all rules of game. I will remember that winning isn't everything. Having fun, improving my skills, making friends, and doing my best are also important. With all of these, I hereby promise to conduct myself to this pledge at all times, understanding that there will be consequences if abused. Thank you.